So it is quite easy and I think natural if you want to use another DBMS such as MySQL or another database in PostgreSQL. So I'm going to change the current database to another one in PostgreSQL. But before I do that, I need to create a database. So these are my workspaces, but I'm not going to need them now. So I'm going to disconnect from the MSF3 database. Then exit from Metasploit. Now, I think it's good practice to stop PostgreSQL for a while, then start it again. But this is just one of my old habits that I pass on to you. Okay, so now I'm going to get the full name of the PostgreSQL user by these commands. The name is Postgres, type SU, Postgres, to get into PostgreSQL user shell. Now here you're not going to need a password because the default installation there is no password. Now the logic is the same if there is a password, you will need to type it. All right then, list databases with PSQL L, and here are the databases. So now I'm going to create a user first by using the create user command. Create user, user for MSF P. I'm going to enter my very strong password 2 times. And now let's create a database by create DB. That's the command that is owned by the user for MSF that we just created. So create DB, DB for MSF, owner equals user for MSF. All right, so let's list the databases. And sure enough, here I have the database. So I am now finished with Postgres shell and I'm going to exit. And I'll open MSF console in quiet mode again. It's finally open. And let's just quickly check the DB status. So as you can see here, it connects to the default database. So now I'm going to disconnect from that database, and that's successful. Now I'm going to connect to my new database, DB for MSF. DB connect user for MSF 1234 at localhost :5432 /db4msf 1234 is my strong password, as you can see. All right, so now let's check the status of the database. Okay, good. So here you see that I have connected the new one. And you can now work within the workspaces. Add, delete, choose. It's all on you now.